Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. So today I've got you the Ryobi R18PD3-0. So this is a percussion drill, 18 volts, works on the ONE system from Ryobi. So this says on a 5 amp hour battery it should be able to drive 1550 screws of these dimensions, and on a 2.5 amp hour battery, which is obviously much lighter, a little bit easier to handle, should do 275 screws. Okay, let's get into this box. Okay, so not very much in the box. It's the drill itself and the manual. Okay, so let's set that aside. And this is the drill. So you can see we've got speed 1 and speed 2. There's the hammer, drive and drill, and then the various settings here to set the amount of torque, and we've got the chuck. So not too bad in the hand weight wise. It's a nice grip. Let's just flick the switch. Yep, not too bad that. This one isn't the brushless again, so slightly on the cheaper side, but it's kind of a bit of an all-rounder. You know, you've got the hammer action, you've got the drill and the driver. Now I've got an impact driver, so I don't think that'll be too much of a problem. I can obviously use this one and alternate to the impact driver if I need to drive some heavier screws. But nice, you know, nice just to have a small drill. You know, it's handy around the house and stuff. So let's just do a quick side by side of the impact drill. You can see it's slightly longer. Sort of about the same weight, similar triggers, pretty sure they use pretty much the same components. We've obviously got a bit that comes with it as well. So that's a PZ2 and a number 6 flat. And inside there, just there, you can see that's the LED. So yeah, let's get a battery and let's get this thing fired up. So I've got the 2 amp hour battery here. Just clip that in. We've got it set to 1 and to just straight drill. You can see the LED there as well. Nice and bright. Only on when the trigger's held. So the actual motor, the drill itself would have to be moving slightly for you to get light. So unlike some other drills, they stay on, or there's a small amount of trigger force that you'd need to turn that on. So let's put that to 2-speed. That's the 1800, and then we've got it in driver mode. And you can see that the chuck, so pretty good, especially if you're just driving smaller screws or a little bit of precision. I'll be looking forward to giving this one a go, and I'll give you guys a bigger review of it once I've kind of given it a go. Alongside this, I also got a set of drill bits as well. So this is the Ryobi set of drill bits. So you've got your wood, your masonry, your plastic, and your metal. And what's cool about this is there's a little hole just here. So once you kind of break the seal, this just clicks into place and it lets you drop out the right part. It's quite cool actually. So you can see, so if say I need, I don't know, the 10mm masonry, I just knock it and out it comes. So everything kind of stays in one place. It's actually quite cool, and then you just kind of lock it off just in the middle so nothing falls out. So actually pretty cool piece of kit that. Quite like that. Just keeps everything somewhere where it's visible, and this was only a couple of pounds, so definitely worth getting. I mean, if you need a couple of bits, you're not too fussed. It's a reasonable price. So guys, that was the first look at the R18PD3-0 percussion drill, the 18 volt ONE system from Ryobi. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if there's any other tools you want me to unbox from the Ryobi range. Alright guys, that's all I've got for you today, so I'll catch you guys in the next video.